ONgqongqoshe bezemfundo kuleli nabo baphawulile ngezinyathelo ezizothathwa umnyango ukugwema ukusabalala kwegciwane iCorona ezikoleni kanye nasezikhungweni zemfundo ephakeme.
Firstly, we have said that contact in institutions must be limited. In terms of various institutions, only University of Cape Town has actually closed the university by bringing forward the Easter holiday break. What the other institutions like University of Johannesburg Rhodes have done, have suspended contact lectures. And we are encouraging that all institutions should immediately suspend all contact lectures as well as minimize contact among students. But we are not as yet planning a shutdown because there are pros and cons to actually shutting down the institutions completely. Where do you take the students to? Moving them out of the residencies, and how do we deal with that? That's a matter that we will discuss tomorrow as to whether the situation does warrant the shutting down. What I also need to say, Minister Mthembu, very quickly, that the guidelines that we have agreed upon is that all major gatherings must be cancelled or postponed, like graduation ceremonies, major sports events, in line with the direction from the President.
In terms of the basic education, we had a teleconference with all provinces this morning to look at the implications of the President's announcement. So all provinces were represented in the teleconference, and we estimated that we will be losing 10 days, because it's 2 days this week, and it's a week after the vacations. And we've agreed that I will give a notice where we formally give a notice of the change of the school calendar, which will mean that in June we reduce our June holidays and then again take other 3 days in September, so it makes up for the 10. Basically, formally, the way we hope to make up for the lost day is to extend the school days. If we go beyond 10 days, we might extend the year even with a week longer, just to make sure that we cover the curriculum. So that's what we agreed as MECs.